Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate title on your Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Mobile Legends game on your device, and once it is fully loaded, you will end up in the main menu. Now from this page, if you wish to add a title to your account, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and you will be taken to your profile page. Now in order to add titles, you will need to look for settings at the top right corner. Click on this button and you will find the title option. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will be able to activate your title if you have already unlocked it by joining a neighborhood and then fighting a few battles to get into the leaderboard. Once you have access to various titles, you can simply choose your desired title and it will be applied to your character and your profile right away. You can come back to the title menu, and if you have multiple titles, you can select between whichever title you want to activate at any given time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate title within the Mobile Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.